In this edition of Seattle Soundcheck, members of Juliet shared a few local artists we should be listening to now.
I was just hanging out with Avery Cochran last night. She is amazing, impressive, great lyricism, great songwriter too, an incredible performer.
Over the ocean, out from the surface, I can feel your love in the motion.
A local artist that I play for and I recommend, Black Soul.
Perfect day, real's only right, long as we know.
Big Dags, he's a rap artist.
The world was never ABCs, 1, 2, 3's, G's, who's Louise? My belt was Louis V, my mind was usually when I worked through a beat.
Gosh, the list is endless, but many coming out of Seattle.